I'd like to introduce to you two of our top sellers, and that is the SB18 LT and the SB18 L class in our workshop cases. What do you get in these workshop kits is the following. In both kits, you get the machine, two batteries, and a charger. Both drills have the screwdriver function, as well as the drilling function and the impact function. The impact function gives you the percussion. On the drill function, you lock out the torque setting and don't have a percussion movement. And on the screwdriver function, you have between 20 and 23 torque settings. Then you have a 2-speed mechanical gearbox, as well as a variable speed on the trigger, forward reverse, and a LED light lighting up your accessory. The main difference between the L and the LT class would be they both have a 13mm keyless chuck. However, the LT class has the more industrial, heavier duty, full metal body 13mm keyless chuck. And the other main feature is the L has a 50 Newton meter torque gearbox, the LT has a 60 Newton meter. And that's what you get inside. On the other side, on the lid, you have your workshop accessories. First tray, you have your Stanley knife and your pencil. Second tray, you have a 5-meter tape, a center punch, socket sets, a rose cutter. Third tray, you have a 4, 5, 6, 8, and 10 millimeter wood drill bits. In this tray, you have the high-speed steel drill bits from 1.5 to 6.5 millimeter in 0.5 millimeter increments, as well as your posi, torques, and flat bits with an extension. In this last tray, you have a 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 millimeter masonry drill bits, as well as the longer extended torques, posi, flat, and star bits.